I think I'm audible. If anyone is watching, please confirm in the chat if I'm audible. If anyone is watching, please confirm in the chat. If I'm audible, type yes. If I'm audible, type yes. Yes, 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 audible. Thank you so much everyone for the confirmation. Now please like the video. Eight people are watching. If you are the genuine subscriber of PM Networking, then like the video. One like, one, two, not two. What are you thinking, guys? Three. Great. Three. Five more people are watching. Four. Now it's feel like connected. When number is increasing, feel like connected. Or when I'm asking, you are typing in the chat, it's feel like we are connected, right? And this is the power of technology. How it's possible? It's possible because of network, right? Every video streaming travels over network. Even your chat, likes, everything travels over network. Hi sir, hello Ayush. First like, thank you so much Asmoon. But 9 people are watching, only 4 likes are there. So I am thinking about rest 5 people. Who are those who are not liking? How many of you are the competitor here? Just join to see that, hey, let me see, is Praphul advertising any course, promoting any course? If he is going to promote any course, then I will comment. Huh? How many of you are the competitor? I'm damn sure about the 6 who have liked the video. You are the genuine subscriber, right? And you are the networking lover, passionate, dedicated. How are you, Praphul sir? I am doing great, Ayush boss. Thank you so much for asking. And what about you, sir? This is work break series. Whenever I take break from my work, I love to share my knowledge, idea, suggestion, thought with my subscribers, students, sometime through YouTube live session, sometime on Facebook live, sometime making videos, sometime taking webinar, right? So this session is also one of them. I am fine too, Sarji. Great, great. Happy to see. Now 17 people are watching, but 6 likes are there. This is not fair, guys. Please like the video, and then if you have anything to ask, please ask. Otherwise, I'm going to talk about my upcoming batches, right? Because I'm getting some calls and many messages on WhatsApp regarding the courses. I will talk about the upcoming batches. I will talk about the future of network engineer career, right? You can say not roadmap. We'll not talk about the roadmap today, because in many sessions we talked about roadmap. Even last video is available on roadmap only. And in the last video also I had told you, you should always start with CCNA and CCNP, because it is foundation. If you are already done with CCNA and CCNP, then you should go for modern technologies. Like you can go with modern WAN, modern LAN. Modern WAN means SD-WAN. Modern LAN means SD access. You can go for data center, next generation firewall. I worked for around 3 years into the networking my friend are in DevOps and cloud. They are earning 3 times more than me. How can I see this for my future? You can also start working in cloud. You can also start working in cloud. It's so simple. Sir, please make video on FortiGate, IPsec, VPN, SSL VPN. Sir, we'll cover everything in FortiGate firewall, step by step. Right now, we are on day 13, I think, and till day 13, I have covered till OSPF routing protocol. So let me cover the BGP routing protocol. Then I will come on NAT. Then I will come on VPN only. And when I will start VPN, I will go very deep, right? Very deep. But the videos will be not available for everyone. It will be for members only, right? As soon as I will start NAT, network address translation, in the FortiGate firewall, right? Few videos will be available publicly, but most of the videos will be for members. So if you are the members of PM Networking YouTube channel, all videos will be available for you. And for the membership, you don't need to purchase member separately for FortiGate or for Palo Alto or for MPLS. There is only one membership on the channel, right? That is PM Networking membership. This is just to filter the competitor or the serious one from the people who are just making jokes on the social media, right? So if you are paying 89 rupees, that means you are serious, you have access of full course. Otherwise, others can download the videos, they can start selling course, many courses. Many of my videos are available on my Udemy, right? Many of my videos, like there is one CCNA course, my CCNA course on Udemy, and only 4 videos are there. I don't know who have created, right? So I don't want to allow everyone to download all videos. That's why complete playlist will be available for members only. So you mean we network engineer don't have salaries equal to other domain? No, I am not saying that. It depends on your interest, right? Your skill, right? Some network engineers are earning more than crores. Even I am earning more than crores. I am the pure network engineer, pure. But maybe you can do better in the cloud, like your friend. Your friend is doing better in the cloud and you are not doing better in the networking. You can try cloud as well once. If you have good foundation in networking, you can even learn cloud very easily. Learning cloud for network engineer is like piece of cake, right? I'm not saying cloud is the different technology. Even cloud is the same technology. Every network engineer should have knowledge about cloud as well, right? I know the cloud as well, AWS also, Azure also, GCP also. I know virtualization like containers, hypervisors. These all are part of networking only. Networking doesn't mean router and switch. You know how to configure OSPF and BGP on the router. That means I'm the network engineer. I'm the skilled network engineer. And if you don't know, if you don't have good foundation, good understanding of networking, you can't say this, that salary is not equal than cloud engineer to network. Hello, ये क्या होता है? तुम जो दूसरे जगह बोल रहा था वहां पे देखो, नहीं बोले लेना ना बाहर क्या, ठीक है. So guys, there is no any limit of salary as a network engineer. Some network engineers are earning more than crores, and some even cloud engineers are earning 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs per annum. So everything depends on your skill. Skilled engineers always earn good best, right? I have so many friends who are network engineer and all are earning goods more than crores. Sir, placement के बारे में भी कुछ बोलो. First of all, many times people are asking about my team member as well, that if I am going to buy your CCNA, CCNP course, will you provide job? So sir, we are not job provider. First of all, I am providing training only, not job. Even I don't have idea, I don't have any placement team, right? But when people are completing my CCNA plus CCNP course, they are able to find job by their own self. Right? If you have the good skill, if you know how to organize everything in resume, you can find job by yourself as well. But here at PM Networking, there is no one who is dedicatedly working for placement. We don't have any placement team. We are just training provider, and even we are not running any institute. PM Networking is not any institute. Some of us are friends working together in the industry as a network engineer, right? Our main profession is network engineer only. If you will ask me, Praphul, what's your job role? I am network engineer, right? You can network architect. And side by side, we are teaching people, because first we have learned the technology, we have implemented in our life, and now our life is we are getting benefit from that skill, right? So we are very confident, very sure about what we are delivering, that here is something, if I am going to deliver this to someone, and if someone is going to learn it, then it can help them also, exactly like it helped me to grow my professional career, right? So we are honest, very sure about our service, about our digital product. If anyone is going to learn it, complete it properly, they can, even courses can change the life, right? It have already changed many engineer life, right? Even CCNA and CCNP course, our CCNA and CCNP course. So for the placement, sir, for the placement, actually you don't need anyone. And even people who are promising you 100% job, trust me, no one can provide you 100% job until and unless you have the good foundation, good skill. And when you have the good skill, you don't need anyone to help you to get job, right? So many job portals are there. Even you can upload your resume on social media, you can get call, and even one call is sufficient, more than sufficient, because you are already ready for the interview. You just need one call and you can clear the interview, right? So when you are ready to work in the industry, you don't need anyone, right, to help. And if you are not ready to work in industry, means technically you are not good, then no one can place you in the company. People who can I can promise you 100% job, right? But let's suppose after course you have not learned it. So what I will do, I will try to place you in any non-technical company, maybe at low salary, right? I will ask to my friends, companies, that, hey, brother, I have one brother, my friend who is struggling in the career, can you hire him? Doesn't matter salary, even 2 lakh is sufficient, 3 lakh is sufficient, like that kind of job, right? So as I told you, we are not the institute, we are just an engineer, and side by side, it's our passion to teach people. The Sukhveer sir is teaching CCNP security nowadays. He's my good friend. We are calling each other sir. Working in the same company, almost at same package. And apart from the job, both are teaching. Similarly, Amit sir is teaching automation, and anyone, even I can teach automation. Sometimes Amit sir can teach CCNA, CCNP. Sometimes I can teach CCNP security. Sukhveer sir can teach CCNA, CCNP or automation. Right? So for the placement, don't ask to anyone for the placement. No one can place you. Right? If you have dream to work in companies, in the big enterprises companies like Google, Amazon, Cisco, Meta, right, then you have to work. You have to start with a small company at low salary, but within 5 to 10 years you can reach there. Very easily you can reach, but you have to work only. No one else can take you there. Only you are the only one who can take you there in those companies. We can promise you the world best training, right? I'm very sure that if anyone is going to complete my CCNA plus CCNP combo live course and have performed all the lab properly, first they never need to learn CCNA and NP again in their career. This is the last time when he is learning, because this time you are going to understand the technology. When you will understand, you will never forget. If you are going to remember, there is chance of maybe you will forget after some time. Like port number of HTTPS is 443, port number of HTTP 443, or HTTPS 443, HTTPS 443. If you are remembering like this, then sir and madam, I'm so sorry to say that networking is not about learning and remembering the complex theory. No, it's practical. You have to understand. Networking is all about understanding, right? It's not like remember the port number of SSH, HTTP, HTTP, DNS, DHCP. No need to remember the protocol number or port number of BGP protocol, BGP messages. Many times I have seen people are remembering OSPF state, down state, init state, two-way state, access start state, right? Like this. When you will understand the process, how OSPF works, automatically you will get to know this. You don't need to remember, right? And this is the reason why sometimes people are saying salary as a network engineer is low, right? Demand is not there in the market. But guys, trust me, networking is future-proofed industry, never dying industry. It's time of automation, AI, right? And at this moment of time, everything travels on network. Can you survive even single day without internet? No. Can any company survive? Can any company run any business, even a small business, without network? No. Even I am providing training to few students. Is it possible to provide training without network? Not possible even for me. Every time I need 24/7 good internet connectivity. So many devices are there. They should be able to connect with each other, right? Internet access securely. A student should be able to access internal server securely. So proper network, reliable network, fast network, secure network is required to run any business, even a small business or large business. So that's why in future demand is increasing, right? Demand will be high, will be keep increasing. It is not going to decrease. And sometimes people are also asking, saying, can AI replace the job of network engineer? Sir, never and ever. AI cannot replace the job of network engineer. Network engineer have to learn AI in their tools, monitoring tools, in their configuration, in the gathering logs, right? Like in the network, you have to learn how to use AI. If you are not going to learn AI, then someone, other network engineer who have learned AI can replace you. That doesn't mean AI is replacing network engineer job. Every technology create jobs, right? Let me check your comments while I am following you, and help me a lot. Thank you so much for networking. Thank you so much, Pratik Patil, for sharing your feedback. Sir, by watching your video, I got the great. It's really glad for me, brother. When people are saying I get placed in big company after watching your MPLS playlist or next generation firewall playlist, by watching YouTube videos, or even by after completing your live classes, really it's motivate me. It's motivate me to work hard to deliver more videos, right? To make more videos, to deliver best quality training, right? To provide always support. Can a fresher get job on network security? No, a fresher cannot get job on the network security. If you are the fresher and looking for job in the networking industry, you have to behave like a network engineer. Praphul, what you are saying? How is it possible to behave like a network engineer without having experience? Sir, it is possible. It's time of automation, virtualization, right? Everything is available in the virtual. Even most of the tools are available at free of cost on the internet. You can design the enterprise network, you can design the data center network, service provider network, and you can configure that multiple times. That is your experience. That is one project. You can mention that in your resume, and this way you can get job. We are also doing this only with our CCNA and CCNP student, because sometimes, by the way, in our batches, more than 80% students are always working professional, are already working, are experienced one. Just they have never learned the technology before. That's why they have now decided to learn, invest. So I don't need to worry about job to those all 80% student. And 20%, sometimes 20%, sometimes 10%, sometimes even 1% out of 100, one student, 1% are fresher. So when someone is fresher, we are making the lab, the real network. We are asking him to configure, right? We are making that as a project. Then we are creating issues and assigning the task to him, to a student, that hey, just fix it, troubleshoot it. And these are your real-time experience. Now this way you can behave like a network, even you are not network engineer, but you behave like a network engineer, and this way you can get job, right? So don't think like, if I am the fresher, if I am going to learn the technology, simply I can get job. Not possible, sir, right? You have to have good hands-on, right? You have to practice a lot. Sometime entire night, day, right? You have to practice, and then you will start behaving like a network engineer. Everything will automatically set in your mind. And when you are learning in the live classes, right, it is possible very easily, because you are already in the community where others are already doing this. So as soon as you will become the part of that community, you will also start following. Okay, सर मुझे CCNA करने पर जॉब मिल जाएगी क्या? सर CCNA करने पे जॉब नहीं मिलेगी. No. After CCNA you cannot expect job, right? If you have excellent level of communication, then maybe you can get job after CCNA as well. But I don't think that company will hire us engineer on the basis of CCNA knowledge. Companies like Cisco can hire you, because Cisco is not only selling network services, Cisco is selling courses as well, CCNA course. Maybe they need some time engineer or a CCNA certified engineer who can have some task related to their certification, their course, right, their lab. So companies like Cisco can hire, but excellent level of communication is required. And 28 people are watching, but only 9 likes are there. How many of you are the genuine follower of PM networking? How many of you are the networking lover? Like the video. If you are here in this live session only for learning, then like the video, guys. When people are not liking, it's feel like we are not connected. Maybe competitor is watching me. Maybe anyone for fun is watching me. Sir, I am able to understand network but unable to frame the technical sentences for interview. Practice it. You have to practice a lot, sir. Yeah, I was also facing same issue in the beginning. In the initial days, I was also facing this issue. I know OSPF, but I don't have words to explain, to express in front of interviewer, right? And how I fixed it? I fixed it by asking the question by myself. Praphul, what is OSPF? And then answer. OSPF stands for Link State Ordering Protocol, or OSPF is a Link State Ordering Protocol used to find shortest path used within the company network, right? It has 7 messages or 7 states, 5 messages, LSAs, right? And whatever you want to include in your answer. So this way you can improve. I heard that only product company are able to give good CTC. Maybe you have heard wrong. Even you can earn. See, if you have target of earning, let's say you need 1 crore rupees. That is your target. See, goal can be anything. Someone can have this goal. For me, money is just a piece of paper or piece of metal. I am not doing everything for money only. Teaching is my passion, right? But if I have dream, if I need 1 crore and that is my goal, I can go with freelancing. Right? That is the best way. In today's time, you are so fortunate that you are connected through social media. If you want to earn more and more, go with freelancing, go with corporate training. Companies are paying 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs for 5 days training only. What you need? Again, next level of technical skill. That's it. Right? If you have good skill, a strong foundation, you are the champion in the networking. There are so many doors, sir, so many doors. It is not like you have to only work. Today, if I don't want to work in the industry, I can quit my job. I can start doing freelancing as well, and so many of my friends as well. It is not only applicable for me. Arun is there, even working at PM Networking, is my team member. He can also do this, right? Whenever he need money, he is doing freelancing. He is doing corporate training. Other trainer like Sukhveer sir has recently completed one corporate training. The duration was 5 days and cost was 10 lakhs. Right? So depending on your interest. It depends on your interest. For me, working on the network, on the technology is passion. Right? I love to troubleshoot the technical issues when everyone in the organization are not able to use the application, are not able to access the services, and everyone is waiting for me, for my work, that hey, let me see when Praphul is going to fix it. And when I start troubleshooting, let me check what is the new, because every time in the troubleshooting, every time you will find something new. And this only helped me to boost my YouTube channel as well. Today on my YouTube channel, 80,000 subscribers are there. In just 3 years, I have reached 80,000 subscribers. Why? Because I am troubleshooting the issues in production and sharing same with others on social media. And there are so many other network engineers are also facing the same issue. So they love to watch the video and doing same thing in the live classes as well. If you will check some recording of my CCNA plus CCNP live classes are available on YouTube. If you will check those videos recording for demo purpose, many videos are available. You will get to know that all classes are based on my existing experience. More than 100 real-time scenarios are there in the class, in the entire course. Right? So I love job. At the same time, nowadays, I love sharing my knowledge as well. Teaching is also my passion. Today, I am saying I am a network engineer by my profession and a Cisco certified trainer by my passion. Teaching is my passion because I am teaching the technology. That's why this is my passion. If I am teaching math, no. This is not my passion then. If I am teaching anything else, English, no. I don't like teaching. But as I love technology, I'm passionate. I love to teach technology to others. And it's also helped me to improve my skill. Today, I have more than 20 IT global certifications. And these all are possible just because of my learning. Even nowadays also, yesterday I had posted one photo on the Facebook. This book is even my best book, you can see. It is always near me, available here. Yesterday I was reading, see this page. I was reading about the SAF concept, right? I had forget something. Cisco Express Forwarding. So learning new thing, implementing that, and then teaching to others. I love this job. I love this job. To organize this, there is a dedicated team. At PM Networking, I am only responsible to deliver the world-class training, right? When someone is enrolling, and let's say while enrolling we have promised X, I try to deliver 10X in the live classes. If I have not delivered 10X, I don't feel satisfaction, confident, right? So my goal is always and always, whether you are watching video on YouTube, that if anyone is going to watch this 30 minutes video, Praphul, at the end, after watching the video, they should learn something. If they have not understood anything after watching 30 minutes video, that means you have also wasted your time and he have also wasted your time. No problem about your time, because you are teaching, maybe okay you can manage, but you have wasted the 30 minutes of others' time. Right? And when we are uploading something on social media, you have to upload very carefully, right? Because it is available publicly. So make sure you will not waste the time of others. So whether it is live classes or YouTube videos, every time goal is to make understand others what I know. I know BGP very well. I love to make the same technology which I have learned and I am getting benefit in my career to others. At anyhow, language doesn't matter, how I am speaking, because my goal is only one, to make others understand this. That's it. Doesn't matter how I am speaking, how I am looking, where I am teaching, doesn't matter. What is the video quality, audio quality? Audio quality should be better, right? It should be best, because in online learning, I believe that most important thing in online learning is audio quality. And guys, 19 likes are there. Thank you so much for those all 19%. But still see many people have not liked the video. So requesting again to like the video, guys. Hi G, I am network analyst for 5.8 and I wish to be an automation engineer. Please guide me. Start learning automation. Right, go with start with from CCNA, guys. I will always and always recommend you, suggest you to start learning from CCNA and NP only. Don't skip any NP. Even in NA, CCNA, you will get familiar with Python library like NetMiko. You will get familiar. You will not master it, but as you want to become automation expert, you can learn it later. But in CCNA, you can get familiar with this automation, right? And CCNA is very important. Not only CCNA and CCNP both. CCNA and NP are the foundation. Even you are the fresher, then also if you are planning to become a network engineer, start from CCNA. If you are the working professional, if you are already a network engineer but lacking in CCNA and CCNP, today's CCNA and CCNP, 3 courses are there. CCNA 200301, CCNP in core, and CCNP in RCA. If you are lacking in these 3 courses, sir, no problem if you will stop working in the industry. If you can manage your financial, right? If you are good financially, you can manage 6 months, then stop working and learn NA and NP first. Otherwise, sir, it will be difficult to grow our professional career, right? Your professional career can stuck after some time because technology is updating. In future, you have to be learn. Every network engineer have to be knowledge of automation, have to be knowledge of AI, have to be knowledge of virtualization. And you can't learn modern technologies directly. If you are thinking, I am the working network engineer, I know OSPF configuration, BGP configuration, I can directly learn SD-WAN or SDXS. No, sir, you can't. You can't until and unless you don't have good foundation. means NANP. You can't understand SD-WAN. Again, you have to remember then. Remember the complex theory, right? That is not the practical way and that is not beneficial even. I have seen many network engineers have remembered everything but not doing great in their career. Reason? They didn't understood the technology, and you will never understood the technology if you will skip NANP, right? So if you are working professional, side by side start learning, right? See, if it is not possible in the weekdays, go in the weekend, start learning a weekend, start watching 3 to 4 videos on YouTube every weekend. If you need organized training, check multiple trainers, talk and see who can be best for you, right? Check the language of trainer you are able to understand or not. Based on that, select one mentor, learn from them, and then you can start working. When you are running command show IP OSPF database, when we run this command, every time we'll get same output, right? The LSAs will be the LSA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But if you are using this command in the industry without learning NA and NP, sir, you can fix the issue, but you will never understand the technology, right? Like what is the detailed information inside the LSAs, LSA 1, how they have exchanged the LSA. If there is issue, how to fix it. You will not get to know about entire topology. But in today's time, 2025, 6, 30, you have to be champion in the modern technologies. And you can't be the champion if you don't have the good foundation. So start with NANP, and after NANP, you can start working in the company as well. If you are working, no problem. If you have good understanding of NANP, no problem, you can stop your learning. Stop your learning means if you are working on the technology, that means you are already connected, right? Means you are already revising. Earlier you was using the command without learning. Now you are using the command after learning. You can go deep. You can check the output more carefully. And when you need to change the job or there is any requirement for let's say SD-WAN engineer or WAN architecture where SD-WAN skill is required. So at that time you can go for SD-WAN, you can learn SD-WAN, right? You can go for next generation firewall, you can go for automation, you can go for virtualization, depending on your interest and company's need. But NANP is mandatory for everyone without any question. Hi Ji, okay. Hi sir, what the Juniper Mist technology is called? See, if you need high package, like earlier someone said, one of my friend working in cloud, he is earning more than me. I am working as a network engineer. So Cisco network engineers are earning less than Juniper network engineers. If you will learn the Juniper devices, you will earn more than Cisco, right? Package is more than Cisco in Juniper. And learning Juniper after learning Cisco is again very easy because Cisco is the technology. Again, I will not recommend you to learn Juniper directly. First learn Cisco and then go for Juniper. It will be easy for you. Hi sir, I completed my CCIE training, but all are demanding for experience. No sir, so for the experience, get hands-on, right? Mention the project in your resume. Cloud computing is the course is English. Yeah, courses are in English. All the courses at PM Networking are in English only. I have passed my CCNA and I want more practice on the additional protocol. Yes, you can definitely you should practice, and you can practice in packet tracer. See, packet tracer is first simulation software for basic configuration. Packet tracer for basic configuration. Second, GNS3 for routing, best for routing, and EVNG for complete enterprise network, like as I told you, for your project, right? Because in the EVNG you can attach real routers. Like if you will check my EVNG has real devices which we are using in the production. All are modern devices, the updated devices in my EVNG. And how we are using it? Because we have physical devices first, and those physical devices are integrated in my EVNG. Okay. Now let me talk about the courses. So first of all, guys, 25 people are watching, 22 likes. Please like the video if you have not liked till now. Now, first course which is coming is OSPF plus BGP. OSPF plus BGP course is for those who have already done CCNA and maybe CCNP. If you are already done with CCNA, CCNP, then good. But if you are done with CCNA only, then also it will work. Let's suppose you have done with CCNA maybe in past, and you don't have time to learn CCNA, today's CCNA and CCNP now. You don't have time to learn CCNA because duration of CCNA and CCNP is 3 to 4 months. You don't have time. Then OSPF plus BGP course is for you. I am going to start this course from 15th of this month, 15th of September, where I will cover industry use protocol, some most important industry use protocol like OSPF. You will find OSPF routing protocol everywhere, and I have good experience on the OSPF routing protocol, right? I worked in various companies, many companies with OSPF. So all the experience, the scenario, my troubleshooting based on OSPF will be covered in this course. OSPF, similarly for the BGP also, right? So I will cover OSPF, BGP, MP BGP, multi-protocol BGP, MPLS and VPN. These 6 are the heading topic in the live class. Duration will be 1 month and timing will be 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time. If I will talk about the OSPF, so yes, we'll go very deeply from CCNA to CCIE, all about OSPF. You will learn all about OSPF. Similarly about BGP, yes, we'll go very deep in BGP. You will learn all about BGP, MP BGP, MPLS, yes, various type of technology, service provider network, service provider complete configuration with MPLS forwarding. About the VPN, yes, in the VPN also we'll go very deep. We'll cover all types of VPN like GRE, IPsec, MPLS, L2 VPN, L3 VPN, SSL, remote VPN, right? I cannot tell you the complete syllabus here, but I know these are the running protocols in the industry. Right? Every day we are facing issues from these protocols. So this is the reason why we are launching this course, and in this course we are going to cover all these 6 topics. OSPF routing protocol is a dedicated technology here. BGP is another dedicated technology. MP BGP another technology for service provider network. MPLS a great forwarding in the service provider network, and then VPN, right, connecting multiple sites through public network. This is the first course which is upcoming, coming on 15th of this month, timing 8 p.m. 15th September. Second course is for the security person, right? Whoever want to become network security engineer, for those, and prerequisite for this security course is CCNA and CCNP. If you are already done with CCNA and CCNP, only CCNA will not work here, right? If you are only done with CCNA and if you are thinking to enroll in CCNP security, no sir, I will not recommend you or not suggest you. If you have completed CCNA and plus OSPF plus BGP course, then also you can go for security course. In this security course, we are going to cover everything about network security from CCNA to CCIE. By the way, we don't have any CCNA security course, but you can say CCNP to CCIE security. It is CCNP to CCIE security, but you can say CCNA to CCIE security. Means Why I'm saying CCNA? Because we are going to start from the scratch, from the zero, right? Every routing switching engineer can understand the switching fundamental switching tech. Sorry, I'm saying switching security technologies very easily. All the routing switching engineer. So mainly this is for routing switching engineers or for all network security engineers who are already working in the domain but never learned the network security, where you will be mastering firewalls, security fundamentals, ICE, and many more security devices, right? You can go with CCI syllabus, CCI security syllabus. We are going to cover each and everything, right? Again, this is career transformation course, and this course is starting just after 3 days from 10th of this month. Timing 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST after 3 days. CCNA to CCIE security. Then next course is CCNA plus CCNP combo in weekend. Many people was requesting for morning weekend batch for CCNA and CCNP. So I thought to launch one combo batch in morning. In the evening from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. I completed so many combo course, so many. And if you will ask me, Praful, which one is your most successful course? So OSP plus, sorry, CCNA plus CCNP combo course only. So that's why this is the first time when we are launching CCNA plus CCNP combo morning batch. When we are launching on 20th of this month, 20th September. Timing 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. in the morning, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST. Combo batch for weekdays will be start maybe next month. Now we don't have plan for combo weekdays batch. The next batch is CCNA weekend batch starting again in the morning. Same batch, CCNA plus CCNP. Either you can enroll in CCNA or combo, because here in the morning batch will teach you separately. First we'll teach you CCNA and then we'll start CCNP. Will go separately. So CCN, you can enroll in CCNA as well if you want to start your career and don't want to enroll in combo. First want to check with CCNA. And then my last batch for SD-WAN is starting from 27th. Before 27th, I have to finish this batch. One batch is already running. This is again weekend batch. Timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. And I am on the QS policy. So maybe I will finish this batch before 27, or maybe from after 20, like date is 27. So maybe from 28 it will start. But from 27 or 28, new SD-WAN weekend batches starting. So these are my upcoming batches in this month, and hope it is clear to everyone. Many of you are asking about the placement. So no, we will provide you only training, the best training, right? If you are enrolling in the CCNP to CCIE security, at the end you will be expert, you will be champion in the network security. If you are enrolling in the CCNA, CCNP, you will be champion, expert in the NANP. If you are enrolling in SD-WAN, you will be champion in the SD-WAN, in managing Cisco SD-WAN, everything. Our goal is to teach you the technology, that's it. How to use it to grow your career, you have to do research on this. We'll help you with resume building. We can help you to get job in the company. Yes, definitely. If you feel that you are my student, have completed training from us and facing issues to find job, sir, we are here to help, right? Even team is there. Entire team will be working on your resume, on your profile, right, to place you somewhere. But I can't promise you the 100% job. You can't ask me after the training, Praful, you had promised 100% job. Where is that? No, sir. We are not providing 100% job guarantee program. These all are not job guaranteed program. These all courses are only for learning, right? And even at PM networking, most of the engineers are enrolling, right? Who are already working only for learning. They have came here to learn and learn and then implement in their career and now getting benefit. Everyone, right? More than 98% of our paid students are getting exponential benefit in their professional career, right? And again, I will not force you all to enroll in the paid course only. If you are not financially good, let's suppose you are not working professional, this is for freshers, right? Who have completed the graduation and looking for job in the IT industry, you are searching for any course. Sir, first start learning from YouTube. Everything is available at free of cost, right? It is not like you can only learn when you have money to invest. No. If you are the working professional, if you don't have issue with money, financially you are good, then you should invest in learning. Otherwise, everything is available at free of cost. When you are ready to invest, right? Like we are spending 1,000 in hotel for dinner, right? That means you are good. You can invest 50,000, even 1 lakh on learning, because when you are investing to learn, it is directly connected with your career growth, right? So in that case, you should definitely invest in learning, because when you invest, you get a mentor, right, who will guide you. Everything will be organized, and take live classes. If it is possible, take live classes. So if you are able to invest money, then invest money. But after investing money, also you have to invest time. Maybe you need to invest less time. But if you don't have money and you want to learn, then also you can learn. Then maybe you need to invest more time. You have to find everything from the internet. You have to organize everything according to the syllabus and make a plan by yourself, right? Like a mentor is going to make a plan for you, similarly you can also plan it. You can do the research, right? Make a plan and start learning. Be strict. If you will be strict on that, you can learn the technology. So these all courses are not for everyone. These are live classes. Paid classes are expensive courses. It is not recommended to freshers. Even recommendation to freshers if they can afford the fee. Not for everyone. If you can't afford the fee, you can still learn the technology and learn from best, right? Before paying, verify everything, like the language. Verify means what? It not like someone is going to fraud me or scam it. That is secondary thing. I'm asking you to verify means check you are comfortable to learn from him or not, because you are choosing your mentor, right? It's very important to check their language, right? The way of teaching, explaining the things. You should be very familiar with that. Hope it is clear. So as I passed my CCNA, want more lab practice and learn additional protocols to make a stand out. I have no work experience, just living in packet tracer. Great. Start using other tools as well, GNS3 and EVNG, Wireshark, capture the traffic, see, right? Become champion. Keep in mind, like you can make a note of this on first page of your notebook, that I want to become champion in the networking. I want to become expert in the networking. These 2 lines should be there on your first page. And then make a plan, proper plan on second page. And from the third page, start working on your plan. No one can stop you to achieve your goal. You can achieve anything, sir, anything. I had never thought that one day I can achieve this all, whatever I have achieved today. And this is only possible just because of my learning. And you can't believe I have invested more than 10 lakhs on my learning. Even it is possible that maybe I don't have money for dinner, but I always have money to invest on my learning. If there is any new technology and I am curious about that to learn, I will not think about the money. Maybe I can save the money while buying the cloth, going hotel, but I never save money to improve my knowledge. Money can be earned multiple times, right? But your knowledge is required to earn the money. So never hesitate to invest in improving your skill. And that's all for today, guys. We will meet again in the another live session. It was a really great conversation with all of you. 24 people have liked the video. Again, I am requesting, if anyone have not liked, please like it, like the video once. If you have anything here, anything to ask here, you can put in the chat. Otherwise, I am putting the WhatsApp number here. One guy has asked about the WhatsApp number, so I am putting 2 WhatsApp number in the chat. One for calling and one for, just a minute, guys. Getting one call. हाँ नहीं मिला क्या ना अरे कहीं और भी देगा तुम बता देना जो भी होता है नहीं मिलेगा तो भी बता देना जी जी okay okay guys, bye bye, thank you so much.